All right, today I'm going to talk about something you probably don't think about when you're thinking about tax planning and strategy. We're going to talk about it for 1 minute. We are talking about SALT. Now, not the item you put on your food, but state and local income tax. Under the Tax Cuts and Jobs Act of 2017, people that itemize their deductions were limited to a $10,000 deduction for state and local income tax pay. That's SALT. And for people that live in a higher tax state or have a decent amount of property taxes, that really limited the amount of federal tax deduction that they received. Some states do allow for an additional amount of deduction, but let's talk about the federal tax return. So because the state and local income tax limit of $10,000 on itemized deductions, there are a couple strategies you could take into account to potentially maximize those deductions. One of them is called bunching of deductions. So let's say in one tax year, you might pay 0 of your property taxes, but in another tax year, you might pay 2 years of property taxes, and you're right on that fringe of itemizing your deductions. So bunching, if you're an individual, of tax payments, state and local tax payments, could be an option for you. The second one pertains to businesses. Flow-through businesses, PTET, pass-through entity tax. Some states allow you to let the business deduct tax pertaining to its operations. So if you own a business and live in a high tax state, consider PTET.